print borderless in Word. So if you want to print borderless in Word, then first you need to open up your Word application. Just go with the Word document. So I'll just simply go with document. Now once you have your document, what you need to do is just simply go with the left side, which has that file section. And now you need to go with print. Now under print, you will have all of these options, right? So, and here you need to go with the printer properties. Under printer properties, you need to go with the page setup, and under your page setup, you will have an option of additional features, and under your additional features, you will have the option of borderless printing. But if you don't find the borderless printing, then you may have different options. So you need to go with the margin section. So if I want less margin, I can change from normal to narrow margins. For example, this might look good, but it's not borderless yet. And if I go from the arrow margins to the custom margins, I can also set them from completely 0. So just set it as 0 and go with OK. And you may get some hint, which is some margins are outside the printable area of the page. Try moving those margins inside the printable area. So for this example, I'll just simply go with ignore. Once you ignore, now it will just give you the interface. It will show you the part that will probably not be printed. As you can see up here that it looks like this. And this way you can set the margins individually and print borderless. If your printer is able to do this and it's not a problem to you, then you can just simply go and proceed. And that's how you can print borderless in Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.